Hello, I want to show you some things about MySQL Data Generator. Um, it's meant for software developers who want to test their applications with lots of data in the database. Nice thing about this application is that it scans your local databases. So I choose this database I have, select some tables. Here you can see the tables you chose with all the columns and all the types. If there are foreign keys, unique keys, default values. You can use country-specific data for names and addresses and phone numbers, etc. If you would output it now, these are the values that come in the database. You can import into the database directly, or you can create text files, queries, SQL files, and import them in the database. You can choose customized options, like if you want date start, perhaps last month, date end this month, time. You can set a range. There are many things. Oh, by the way, AM, PM is not in anymore. So, for example, if the time 10 to 15, you can refresh and then see what's happening. This time will be between 10 and 3 o'clock. 16 until 20. The options in this drop down depends on which type the column is. There are many options for a varchar, because you can also put a number in it or a date. You can also use your own options, like this calendar type, employees, holidays, and refresh again to show employees, holidays. It's just random value now. Let's try output. Generate full query. So this will be for 10 rows in these 3 tables. You can select it and copy it. Or you can import it in your local database. Well, it succeeded. You can undo if you want. If you have tables that have IDs that depend on each other and you don't have any data in your database, it's best to fill the table first that the other table depends on. You can also use the same values for. I'm not sure if I have an example here. Do I have a date here? Update date. Well, for example, update date, you can say I want it to be the same as the create date of events. So now create date. These are the same now, this one and this one. You can also say unique value. So then this value will always be unique. It can also be done with IDs. Then it is counting up from. You can save this configuration for later use. So when you would start now, you can find it here. And it knows which tables there were, which ones you checked. So when you open that, it has the settings we made earlier. So that's handy if you want to later use these settings again. Well, there's a help texts. We can try the name. Here's a name. First name. USA. You can see in Jan, Lincoln, Deborah, Agnes. If you put France, Richaud, Eliane, Anastase. So it's all country specific. You can choose which data types you show. Enum. I don't have enums here. We can choose a table again. Select all. Well, that's about it for the first few. I hope you are interested and want to try it. You can mail me. It's under the video. Thank you.